Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a glove box upgrade on my 1979 Ford Bronco Custom. We're going to be installing a solid insert that's plastic for the glove box liner. We currently don't have any glove box liner. And we're going to replace the stock button with a locking button. That way we can lock any documents or valuables in there if we have the top off. This also applies to the F-150, 250, and 350 for 70 era Ford trucks. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to check those out. I'm going to be continually posting about my F-150 and this 1979 Bronco, so please subscribe to the channel to follow along.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
What I love about the Bronco is most of it's Phillips head screwdriver, so it's fairly easy to work on. And that's all you'll need is a very short Phillips head screwdriver for this. I'm going to test fit the glove box first, see how it fits. Might need to actually take the lock off before then. So let's go ahead and remove it. The stock latch. And I'll hang on to this, of course. So as it turns out, it's a little more involved than I was thinking. I'm going to have to drill multiple holes for the screws so that when I slide the glove box in, I can mount it, like the hinges and everything can attach to it so it doesn't just fall in there. I thought maybe it had like a lip or a face to it, but the way that everything attaches, it wasn't gonna work out how I had envisioned it. So I'm gonna need a drill and some bits. I'm also gonna use a awl to mark these, and I'm just gonna measure them out and then use a small straight edge and then just drill them out. So I think that's gonna be the best way to do it, the most accurate probably. And eventually I will have to maybe take off the clip. I'm thinking I could just like pop it in, it would go over it, but we'll see.
It helps to turn the glove box liner sideways to get it to fit through the opening.
Okay, now it's time to go ahead and install it.
Test fitting and widening the screw holes may take a couple of tries. I found it best to use blue painter's tape to hold the glove box in place. I'm using the screw from the cable on the right hand side to keep the glove box from falling backwards. The spring-loaded glove box light won't work with this liner, so you'll need to remove it for better clearance.
It was a little longer and tedious than I was expecting, but finally got the glove box in and it's secure, it's not falling back. Now it's time to put the lock on. So it needs to go in like so. And we're gonna reuse the same screws that were in it before. It's interesting, this kit must be seen as purely an upgrade because none of the hardware was included and the strike plate wasn't even included. It's just purely the lock. And you can buy each individual part for the glove box through LMC Truck and Bronco Graveyard. All right, let's see how it works. All right. Whoops. I need to get these rubber gaskets. I might have something I can put in here for that. Check, because it's definitely coming unglued from pulling on it. But it appears to work. I know I've got some like rubber strips I can cut and glue in here for now. All right, so I just used this rubber stripping and cut them down and stacked a few of them up so that they could be enough to cover those 2 holes. This I'll just have to do until I get the actual bumpers. This way I don't damage the glove box more. Not quite enough. This is pretty cool. I didn't notice it at first. There's a Mustang on one side, or a pony, the Ford emblem on the other. Okay, so let's fold. And that was my how-to video for upgrading the glove box with a new glove box liner and locking latch. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm posting weekly videos and I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel to follow along as I continue to do updates on my 79 Bronco and 2015 F-150. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.